गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम ऐसे करने जा रहे हैं इंटरनेट्स एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस। आज हम देखेंगे इंटरनेट के क्या क्या एडवांटेजेस हैं, डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं। उसके लिए एक ऐसे का मटेरियल हमने रेडी किया है। होप ये आपको एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए हेल्प करे, और आप इसमें ऐड भी कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको कोई चीज़ ख़राब लग रही है आप इसमें से डिलीट भी कर सकते हैं। इट इज़ जस्ट अ सैम्पल जो आपको हेल्प कर सकता है। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट। Introduction to Internet Essay. Internet is a modern invention of science that has brought a revolutionary change to our lives. Using internet, we can access any information from anywhere that has been stored in the web. In today's world, we can't imagine anything without internet. There are a lot of advantages of internet, but it is impossible to turn our faces from the disadvantages of internet. Uses of internet. The internet is used for many purposes. It is used to send emails, online chat, online transactions, sharing files, access different web pages, etc. On the other hand, in this modern era, a businessman cannot grow his business without the use of internet in business. Again, the use of internet in education has completely changed our educational system. The uses of internet for students is very necessary, as a student can get all his syllabus oriented information on the web. Now, abuses of internet, or we can say disadvantages of internet. We all know the advantages of internet, but there are some abuses of internet too. We can't deny the fact that internet has brought a revolutionary change in our lifestyle, but we can't ignore the disadvantages of internet. First of all, a person when spend too much time in front of computer may fall ill. It may damage his or her eyesight. On the other hand, sometimes internet can provide us with wrong information, because in internet or web anyone can post any information. So sometime wrong information can also be posted in internet. Again, hackers may post malicious links and can cause harm to our confidential data. On the most dangerous disadvantages of internet is today's time is fraud business. With the popularity of internet, we can see a rapid growth in fraud business. The conclusion: internet has made our work easy in every field. With the invention of internet, human civilization has developed a lot. Though there are both advantages and disadvantages of internet, we can't deny the fact that internet has developed us a lot. Everything depends on its use. We all need to know how can the internet be used and should use internet for our benefit. थैंक यू। इससे रिलेटेड कोई भी डाउट होता है, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, आप मेरे को कॉल कर सकते हैं, मिस कॉल कर सकते हैं, मैसेज कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू बच्चों, हैव अ नाइस डे।